So if everybody's ready.
I'm actually
So
gonna close my window.
okay. I don't know who all has been building for this. So I'm just gonna pause the music.
Oh, we might have a fifth person in a second.
Okay.
I paged Miheyu. And he's actually around. So I asked if he has time.
Okay, that's good that there are no names on the... Okay. Just numbers. Okay, good.
Yeah, but I know who built everything.
Yeah. I mean, I don't really remember, but...
So now I just have to figure out which one's Phoenix.
Oh.
I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding.
You'll know. Trust me. You'll know.
It's not hard to figure out.
Wink, wink.
Yeah, so for the folks that are tuning in, we are on my Twitch subscriber server. There was a build contest, and we are now getting ready to judge. Is everything like over here near spawn? Is that?
Yes. Yes, in that direction.
Okay.
I am possessing you, by the way. So whenever you move, I can see exactly where you're looking. Nice sky up there. And Miheyu said that he might be able to swing a few minutes. Get out. I don't wanna. It's a lot easier to just possess you so that I'm able to see what you're seeing.
After these messages, it never gets old. For me.
I do wish I could make it so that it rotates between different messages.
Yeah, they need to have like a... Like where you can create a list and have it do a random one from a list.
Yeah, that I asked Insgamer if he could set something like that up, but he was like, yeah, about it.
So how do we get this horse?
Oh,
Yeah, how to get that Kinka?
The store. You can get
Oh,
them.
okay, the store.
If you could throw Miheyu in, he saying add him. I do not know how to do these things properly. It doesn't work when I do it.
Weather off. There we go. All better.
Well, how is everybody?
Oh, it's this guy.
Oh, well, we might as well just end it here.
I didn't know he
Well,
was coming.
Thanks for coming out, guys. Have a good time.
How's it going?
Oh, busy.
Yeah.
Sorry, finishing up something real quick here. Okay.
We almost need a bunch of beds right here.
What a lovely
Okay.
storm.
Like 8 beds.
Okay, I'm just gonna do a thing because things.
Are you gonna add time? I'll toggle down.
I was getting to time as well. Time add 10 hours should work. It's not quite day, but it's getting to day. Which, by the way, the plugin that does the sleeping and everything, it overrides vanilla sleeping entirely.
What do you mean?
Which is, well, I'm in spectator mode, it still counts me as being active and logged in and
Oh,
everything.
yeah. Yeah.
And also, if all the beds are filled, but there are people in spectator mode, for instance, if there's 3 people, 2 people are in spectator mode, and the one person that's not in spectator mode is sleeping, it won't go to day. And that we can't get rid of rain.
Well, and that's what's weird, because on the test server, it would get rid of rain. So, I don't know what's up with that.
I really like the other plug-in. I just wish it worked.
Yeah.
Alright, stop possessing dark.
Peyton, I will only say that a portion of it has been found, yes. We are not talking about the prank. This is not the let's talk about the prank stream.
He's on me.
All right. So, is everybody here?
I think so. They're gonna be here.
So I guess we just...
Now, so everyone knows, that's your reward. You get one of those.
Use it wisely.
I'm just. Oh, okay.
Maybe I'll
Someone's
give you
going to
one.
pick those up.
They can't. It's a bedrock. They can't break it. It's a command block. They can't break it.
I hope it was okay to click that.
Eh.
Okay, so where should I start? Where?
Well, this one's the closest, so might as well start with it.
This one. Oh, okay.
Need to clear out my inventory.
Plot number 2.
Does it have a name?
I am the one who blocks. Hey, it's my build.
Dark Fan wins.
Only he who blocks may sleep. All others go away.
Bedtime stories.
Lots of details here. I like it.
I love these torches with the item frames and the stairs.
Bedtime stories with CaptainQ.
Oh.
Well, that's different. Well,
Oh,
my,
that's funny.
my inventory is full. I pull that down.
It's just a regular book, though. Looks like it's a named book. So.
Taking the shortcuts.
Ooh.
Nice chest.
I see what they did in this chest here.
Yeah.
Beepers?
Yeah.
Hashtag vasectomy!
No.
Hashtag.
Very
Oh,
impressive. Very
yeah.
impressive. All right. So that's plot number 2. Let me get a virtual
Wait, so-
piece of paper here.
Are we supposed to be
Yes,
building
I
stuff
agree.
on this server? Is that what this is?
It's something people do sometimes.
Sometimes.
All right. Where's the next one? How many plots are there?
I only think, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think there's 5 more.
Zombie's got egg
so-
on his face.
Where's the next one? Where do we go?
Next one is, if you follow the path, it's like right here next to where Misty's house used to be.
Where it used to be before it got burnt down.
Your house got burned down.
It's struck by lightning from what we can determine. Unless someone wants to fess up to burning it down, in which case I will hurt you.
Oh, I see. Plot number 5. Wait, where was plot number 1? Did we miss one?
I think one was way back there, no one picked it.
Oh.
Oh, okay. So this is 5. The dog and the butterfly pub. Get an outside view here. Very nice.
I like the back or the backyard.
Yeah, this is beautiful back here.
Alright.
Uh-oh, my textures are messed up.
Okay.
Let's turn off the 3D part of the textures. Source peg.
No.
There we go.
You know, this place could use a testificate.
I like the little at signs on the signs for the sides of the couch.
Very, very ornate patio furniture.
Yes. The wrought iron is really detailed here. Alright, we have the wine cellar. Oh.
I don't like these unfinished basements. You know, no insulation, concrete floors.
But it's got a nice attic.
It's really nice. It's very quaint.
And they got an air freshener hanging up over here.
Pine scented, of course, obviously.
That's
Oh,
weird.
there is.
You gotta close the trap door to get out.
Indeed.
Oh, there's a basement?
There is a basement.
Oh,
I didn't even see this when I was snooping around earlier today.
Ooh.
very
And
cool.
decided
Nice.
to win.
The dank unfinished basement, man.
Well, I mean,
Cold
basements are generally like this, so it fits.
Yeah, now shut the trap door now. Nope, go up. Go up. No, look look towards me when you get it to the top of the ladder. Look towards me and then I'll close it. Now jump. Just jump. Just jump. Jump. Look back this way and jump. Look back this way and jump. There you go.
It's weird, yeah.
Very interesting. So that's
This was part 5.
Misty, you shouldn't go in hole anymore.
Taking away points for that.
Alright. And then
Alright, next one is this piston over here.
race car. Designed by Corrales. That's kind of cool though.
It is
I like
nice,
the-
but that is
I like
not
the
part
steering wheel inside.
Yeah, but unfortunately, it is not part of the build contest. Otherwise,
Number 4, the red. Oh, the Redstone Exchange is the build. Okay.
Room.
Insert trade items.
Wanna drive the car?
it does operate. I tested it.
Whoa!
Oh, that's fun. It is supposed to be a piston building.
And
Ah.
earlier, I was crying because my friend had despawned. I was in spectator mode and I had flew
broke it.
here. There was a creeper that spawned in here, in the top.
Oh.
It was kind of funny.
And so it's a big old piston. Okay. Which one is this for?
Man, are we gonna go all the way over to the trade post?
So 7, 8, 9 are this way. So.
I'm just gonna skip 6.
Oh, we'll go back.
I know. It's a bit of a jog over there.
Yeah.
Some form
Hey,
of bell
this
tower.
is a very flammable house you've got there. Be a shame.
Wait, I know what this needs. I know exactly what this needs.
Oh, creeper.
It needs a creeper, yes. It
It's
needs one
coming
of
after
these.
dark. Saved your
Needs
life.
one of these. Okay, I'm ready. I'm ready.
Ooh.
Yeah.
I'm ready.
Hi guys. I see you from up here.
I like the bed in here.
I see you too.
There's this cute little entrance up here.
I've lost everyone. Which plot are you at?
Keep
What's
going,
it say?
keep going.
7,
Right here, Captain. Yeah.
8, 8.
Number 8.
I can't tell if this is the only way to get up here though.
As far as I can
Yeah.
tell, it is.
Yeah.
Kidding?
Outdoor access to the second floor. Nice.
Little piece of carpet on the piston. That's kind of neat. Tablecloth there.
Ooh, very, very swanky. Swanky, swanky, swanky.
The interior design is lovely.
Oops.
Much swank.
You're not
Make
supposed
sure
to
you-
break stuff.
I accidentally placed the cobblestones.
Is that why someone asked about insurance?
Yeah.
Probably.
You're fighting all kinds of strangers into your houses.
And one of them's in creative, so just one little click and boom. There it goes.
Oh,
No.
look at this one. Man, this right here. I don't know. This might be at the top of the list. Good job, Joe. All right. So, did we pass 7?
Oh,
You know,
no.
I kind of,
The next ones are the other way.
I kind of dig
So I thought
the-
the sign said
the-
7, 8, 9 down here, though.
the
Oh, yeah.
asymmetrical
There's-
torch
this
placement.
one's
is
7.
Really,
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Some form of bell tower.
Some form.
But you can't get up and ring the bell.
Ding.
Hey,
Ding.
you pull the string right here.
Ding.
Ding, 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 ding.
Sanctuary.
It is very small. It's very small.
Is this actually a plot?
Yes.
Is it? This
Okay.
is 7? Is this 7?
I believe this one was supposed to be 7, yes.
All right.
Ding, fries are done.
Oh,
No, no.
I was just reading chat.
Alright.
Alright, so is everything else back this way then? Is that
Last one is this guy over here.
the
Dual
Forgotten
Arena.
Villager? Best
Dual-
view atop arena. Wait, there's an
Is it-
arena?
Dual
Yeah.
Arena. Come on, come all.
Ah.
I think it's supposed to be come on, come all, and watch. Come on, come on.
Screw going up there. I can fly. Ha ha.
I'm at a relog. I'm lagging real hard.
Oh dear.
Fight to the death.
Let me make sure we aren't missing anything, but I think that's all of them. This is the last one.
Oh. Ah. Ah.
Huzzah!
Ah.
Alright.
I like
Oh,
that.
I saw.
Where you at, Coda? I was just gonna say hi to Zombie here, but I can't say hi to him first until you're here. And I don't see you on here.
Is there a strip mine underneath here?
I guess so.
Oh.
There is a subway system being built underneath here.
Oh, that's what this is.
Probably
Very
what's-
nice. Very nice.
You should see the store I built. I got help with Darklink.
Mm-hmm.
So this one, I take it, is just a statue build, is it?
Yep.
Yeah, okay, cool. Oh, and it makes sound.
Mm-hmm.
It makes a villager sound over here.
Oh, it does. And it has an emerald right here. That
Yeah.
was a nice touch.
A very nice emerald. Very big emerald. Very
Yes, it is.
emerald. Look, I have an
So
emerald.
was there 3 build or 6 builds? I mean, is that
This is the last one, unless you want to go look at the store, but it's not part of the build contest.
all right?
I
So
asked
let
if
me
I
back-
could enter my house, but they were like, no.
Misty wins. Her house wins.
Let's see here. Okay, let me. What's that?
Whose was the one on the town square?
Oh dear goodness!
I have not said whose anyone's is yet.
Yeah, they're
Oh,
keeping that.
cool. Anonymous build contest. I like.
Yes.
Cause I'm kind of liking this stained clay.
Yeah.
It looks really modern. I like
I'm
that.
reviewing my notes.
I'm just
I
here
need
in
to
case
walk-
of tiebreaker.
I need to walk around again. So that was 2. Schism raid. Hello, folks.
Skizzo,
We are
right?
currently
Huzzah!
judging some builds
Hmm.
on my subscriber server. So let's see, where was the path at? It's over this
Yeah.
way.
It's
Here's a dance floor. Do 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 do. Okay.
Yes, I have a subserver. Oh man. Oh hey. Oh, I hear you.
Fennec, just so you know, I really, really like your build. I'm not telling them which one it is, but I really like your build.
Okay, which one is this one?
And Fennec's like,
That's 8. I remember those. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I have the
Paper.
music turned off in case I want to upload this to the YouTubes.
I should totally sing something copyrighted right now.
Nate, one of my moderators, can get you the info. And
I
their
love that
spiel.
there was a zombie trying to attack the villager statue.
Yep. Ooh, there's money over here. Money!
Okay. I'm gonna look down for a minute.
He's my friend.
Yeah, let me look down. Let's see, we got, oh boy, so many choices. Can't pick that one. And those are some long arms you have over there, Kinka. Alright.
Wait, those aren't arms. That's my jacket that you're looking at. I have no arms. I'm armless. I'm unarmed.
I need a moment here. Still deciding. Still deciding. Let's see. What's this one again? That's for.
Flaming arrows.
I don't know. This one with hidden dance floors, almost. Is this part of it too? This modern one?
No.
Max, that's Max's actual house.
Yeah, that's his actual house.
See, this was 7, right? The bell tower.
I believe so.
Okay. Oh, jeez. Ah!
I told you there was money over here. Yay, Darkman has 1 money.
Are they ever gonna finish the town hall, or is it all just a facade?
I think it is just a facade. All that work just for a facade.
Well, wasn't
Alright,
Zach
let
the
me-
one that started working on it?
Mac also helped.
That's true.
Mac, you need to get on that.
Okay, I'm gonna come back up here. Shut up, cow. Oh, I broke my sword on that cow's face.
Aww.
And
You've got that's a
Okay.
toothpick. Can you go throw it away for me?
When you said "shut up, cow," I thought you were talking to.
I
his-
know. I was like,
no, I was talking to an actual cow. Wait, what was that? Okay, that was 8 down there, and then 9. Okay. All right.
Shut up, baby.
I'm.
Shut up, cow.
See how he talks to my kids? Jeez.
All right. I'm typing into Skype.
All right.
Alright, let me move my Skype window so I can actually read it.
Oh, you know what? I think this is the winning house right here, with the acacia roof and this handsome gentleman with this suit on the front.
I need to get numbers.
Shot, baby. This.
Ooh, yeah. See, he's incorporated command blocks into his build. I like this. Which I guess we don't need those now. Those are the reset blocks. Okay, I said throw it away, please. Throw it away, please. It's trash. Oof.
What the heck was that?
Acid rain? What? Ow! Oof. See, she didn't
my
like you
goodness.
smacking me. She didn't like you
He
smacking
deserved
me.
it. Actually, you know what we can do here, Captain? Just
Kinka's
a
got no pants?
Sure.
Somebody's wound up, sorry.
It's alright, it's alright.
I tried to type something and died. Oh, lovely.
I think Dark is trying to set up something here.
Okay, so I missed which ones. Is this number 1, the red one here? The stained clay.
Technically, it's plot number 2, I think.
So
But
what's
it's the
plot-
first. It's the first
Oh.
one we looked at. Not everybody did all the plots.
Oh, okay, okay.
Well,
So we're missing one.
I was going to do this, but it only lets us do one. Sorry.
Ah, I see. So wait, the piston is plot number 4? It's in the competition? I thought it was
Yes.
just a shop.
Nope, that's a thing. That's a thing.
It's a thing.
Alright.
Where'd it go?
It's really hard to decide.
Which number was the villager statue?
The villager statue is number 6. 6.
Okay.
Oh, villager statue.
I see.
Hey.
Let me.
This
Let
is
me
why
look around.
I've not been
I'm gonna look around
available.
one more time here.
Poor Babby.
Well, my wife's picked up an official weekend schedule now, so she works every Friday, Saturday, Sunday, so. We are wound up around here. Big brother's gonna be going to bed soon because he's got school in the morning, so.
Oh, someone let a creeper blow up over here. Wasn't me. I
It's
killed a
not-
creeper.
It's not so much as the coffee, it's the 4 cubes of sugar I let him put in it with the creamer.
Yeah. So I'm
That creeper
agreeing.
was my fault.
After looking around again, I am agreeing.
With.
Yeah.
okay.
What you said. And what the other person said. And the other person's.
Other persons of interest?
I didn't mean to blow up the road over there. The creeper killed me.
Oops. No money for you.
Oh no. Need any building blocks?
It's not a big deal. I can fix this easy. Just put one of those there, one of those there, one of those there. It's fixed.
Huzzah.
Yeah,
I should replace them with monster eggs.
I am content with that. That was
Fine.
what I agree with.
All right.
Okay. I agree with that.
All right. So I think we've come to a decision, and plot number 9 won. I'm kidding. It was plot number 1.
Congratulations, me. That was the bank.
No. So, all
Our
right.
split decision. The
So
judges
everybody line up and follow me.
award. Following the leader, the leader, the leader.
All right.
And
I'm falling from several blocks up.
this plot here has won 3rd place. So do we find out whose they are now as we reveal the place?
Sure. This one
Okay.
was Zombie Ent, I believe. Let me
Ah.
actually
I'm pretty sure that is correct.
inspector on. Yes, Zombie Ent.
Very nice.
Yeah.
So 3rd place. So follow.
Congrats, number 2, for being 3rd.
Right here. No. Nope.
Nope, 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 nope.
No. Nope. Nope. We're down here. I think I'm going the right way.
Yes, you are.
No, you're not. I was
This
over that way.
number 8 is 2nd place.
Huzzah!
Congratulations to Mac.
Indeed.
Ooh, very
Excellent
nice.
interior design.
Yeah.
Very lovely.
Yes. Yep. And then follow me. Let's go this way.
First place by a unanimous decision.
This here, while I love it, is not 1st place. I do like the added villager inside of it making the noise.
Yes, that's a nice touch.
Um,
Honorable mention for sure.
not the bell tower, and nope, not that either.
Sorry, Redstone Exchange. I gave you top props in my voting.
Plot number 1, first place.
And yep, 5 is 1st place.
Huzzah!
Guess who did it?
And no, it's not. They're gonna think it's rigged.
She wins
I didn't tell
everything.
anyone. I did not tell anyone. But
No,
it
nobody-
is.
Nobody, is it really Finnick? Oh.
Uh-huh.
So Finnick, really, you really do awesome builds.
Although, as I said in the chat when we were deliberating, I personally deducted points from Phoenix because it went outside the borders of the plot that was given.
Yes.
And they still
But
won.
She tried to cover it up by putting bushes everywhere.
That and just about everyone did.
Okay.
But
So-
it's a good build.
So wait, we have to put
don't
their names
worry,
on the
folks.
signs.
I am going to do something special. We are going to do
Ooh.
this. Okay. How do I do this? Okay. So all 6 of you are going to be entered into a drawing
Ooh.
for a copy of Rockets, Rockets, Rockets. And it is on both Mac and PC and Linux. So, Mac
Sounds like a
Stringer, you
game
can.
about cats.
Hey, that's not. All right, so
Yeah.
let me get things ready here.
I got first place. Woo!
And Miheyu, you, I don't know if you're watching the stream, but you haven't seen this yet.
Uh-uh.
All right, I'll wait.
I'm marking the builds with a block of stuff each for the ones that won.
Yeah, and I don't know what the in-game winnings are.
What I just placed.
I did
Someone
see
made
a
a little
sign
plaque
about
thing
that.
over here and have prizes over here for
Yeah.
Oh, is that on the sign over here? Okay.
Ooh.
Oh, there were actual
These
prizes
are
for
nice.
this?
Yeah.
Snooze, you lose. I got first place up here. Ah.
Sorry, Miheyu, I've already been up there.
Oh. But you're not standing at the podium during the winning
Yeah.
ceremony.
Well, the
Announcement.
ceremonies are already over. Yeah.
Okay. So
Bet
you
I
have the
can't get
stream
up
up,
there.
Miheyu?
Huh?
You have
Oh,
the stream up?
Yes.
All right, and I just put in the numbers, and we're gonna hit start.
Oh, this thing.
Oh!
Feel like
If it stops on 5,
Way down.
oh no.
Oh, yes.
Number 6. Who has bought 6?
Huzzah.
Lot 6 was Darklink.
Congrats, Darklink.
Alright. Let me check.
Woo!
Let me double check. Triple check.
Oh, they're
Need
standing
some
up on the.
fireworks.
It was Darklink.
Fireworks for these guys.
Here, let me turn off my. Oh, if I do that though, you can't see the names. Okay. Hey, get back up there.
Do you want fireworks? I can get you fireworks. Just give me
I was
one
gonna take a
moment.
screenshot. I was gonna take a screenshot of the first, second, and third. But second place jumped off. Oh, Finnick, get back up there.
You guys want to take your armors off? Show off your fancy skins?
Where is it?
Let me get an empty hand. Actually, do I have something?
Here it is.
Anybody have a piece of stone or a button? Because that would be, it's real tiny, and when I hold it, it won't be in the way of the screenshot. I want to leave my F1 on so I can see their names.
There you go.
Piece of wood, but
Here's a button.
Yeah.
Oops.
That'll
Oops. Oops. Wrong button.
Remember, that's what they used to use when they were doing the commentating for the Race for Wolves. So you'd hold a button.
It's true.
All right, and unshift, so I can see your names.
You still have the prize thing up on your stream. I don't
Oh
know.
well, they don't need to see it. Yay! Congrats.
Huzzah.
Hold on,
Now
I'm doing a
blow up
thing
the
real
world.
quick.
Oh,
Let me do this thing. This thing is gonna be cool. Where are my command blocks? And I'm just gonna place this back here. Everything's fine, folks. Don't panic.
Just don't turn around.
yay!
That was
Not
pretty.
bad.
Well, looks like I got a diaper to change, so.
Alright, Miheyu, thanks.
You're not out of those yet? Oh. Or you're in them already?
Just mild comments. Leave me alone.
Is that from you, Darklink?
Okay.
Haha. All right, Darklink, I got it. I'll send it your way in just a bit.